Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video blog create an app, market successful retailer teams, popular articles, product, how to open a Google Play developer account, Google Play, your definition, create your native Android app and are now ready to publish on it Google Play stores. The process campaign section sanitize create your already publisher Google Play but don't topic pick create detailed online help in your back office guide your interest way and if you are really can be bought by that you can edit the good take care option and Android app ready Google Play. This service Google Play is the best written by more product on Tuesday 20 July 2021. Top open Google Play developer account following these easy step. First, create Google account. Second, create a Google developer account is Google Play Console. Google Play Console. Third, configuration Google Wallet and pay registration fees. Fourth step, set up your developer profile. Create an app. Good brand bar. No matter your deduct to do the first step, fundamentalization and mandatory. No matters direction is do to first step and mandatory. Create a Google account. First you are needed Google account. Google account is free of charges. If you don't already have once or now anytime set up your Google account. Needed Gmail address and you can create one here. This is will email will be tried to Google developer account. Create a Google developer account. Create a new Google developer account. The selected Google account will honor that new developer account. If you are typing joining extend developer, please request and invite your administrator. First off, create a new developer account and the request administrator invitation. If your organization We recommended that you are do not use personal account to set up developer account. You can step up Google account using any extension email address. Find out more. To create an account you are needed pay once of $25 registration fees. Your many asked verify identity using valid ID. Complete your account registration. If you can verify your identity registration fee won't be refunded. Publisher name. This will be visit to use your Google Pay. 15 creators. Secondary content email address. We many to content your additional in Gmail address associated with Google account is not visible. Google Play user content numbers include the plus symbols, country code and area code. With this content will be visible user play. Developer agreements and terms and conditions. I am confirmed that's ready have to agree Google Play. Developer designation agreement. I agree. Associate my Google account with Google Pay developer designation agreement and confirm that I am last 18 years old. Of which I am confirmed have ready. I agreement to the Google Play console terms and service. I agree access my Google account with the Google console service. Required create and account pay. Accept developer agreement Google Pay console. Go to the Google Play console, create a new account. Google developer account, login with your in step, check your box, accept agreement, reading and discretion your app on Google Play. This step content Google account developer account. You can choose the publisher your personal Gmail address professional. Simply login Google Pay console and account. Choose your complete registration and once of all set click contact payment confirmation your Google Wallet registration fees. You have paid to Google Pay fees and developer that you asked. Confirm Google Wallet. Select your country and last required personal information. Payment method detail. Google Pay service price. Note that registration fees your Google Pay once time of fees $25. The extra charges we configure and update your Android app future basic publisher service. Android user some publisher account that click accept your connect continue complete your purchase. Google Pay developer registration fees. Buy your create Google payment address. Next pay step your developer profile. If your developer console be set up developer profile that name and developer is once of April profile. You can Google Pay information will email address phone numbers information fill out. Click complete your publisher account. Create your generation Android app with code back and process secondary round submit and Google Pay. For like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.